I'm Gail from Our Space, and today we're going to do another craft video, and I have two special friends who are joining me today.
Hi, I'm Maddie.
Hi, I'm Eric.
Thanks for joining us today. And today we're going to be making dream catchers. And can I see the ones that you already have made? Maddie, can I see yours?
Sure, so this is mine. This is what the top of mine looks like. And at the bottom, I have this, which I cut out from the center of the plate that says Dream Big. And then I also made some feathers out of paper.
Wow, that's really nice. It's very colorful. Eric, how's yours?
Here's mine. So I also made feathers at the bottom. Normally it's real feathers, but I only had construction paper.
Okay, that looks great. And I'll be making one along with you. And Eric, what is a dream catcher?
So a dream catcher originated from the Native American culture. So it's said that you can hang it above your bed and that the good dreams will go through the holes and go down the feathers and into your head, while all the bad dreams will get stuck in the webs.
Wow, that's really cool. I can't wait to hang mine tonight over my bed. So before we get started, we always do a breathing exercise to just sort of relax us and get us ready for the craft. So Maddie, would you like to lead that today?
Sure, so today we are going to be doing a figure 8 breathing exercise. So what we're going to do is we're going to trace the figure 8 with our finger. So if it's easier, you can draw it out like I did, or you can just trace it in the air. So what you're going to do is you're going to start in the center like this. And as you go around the first loop, you're going to breathe in. And then once you get back to the center and you start the second loop, you're going to breathe out this way.
Great. All right, we'll give it a try.
These together.
Okay, great.
Okay, so we'll start in the center. Breathe in. And breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out.
I love it. I feel more relaxed.
Yeah.
So let's get started. I have my plate ready. Maddie, do you want to tell us what we're going to need for this craft?
Sure. So for this craft, you're going to need a paper plate, some yarn or some string, some crayon or markers, glue or tape, scissors, a hole punch, and then any other extra materials that you want to decorate it. So you can use glitter, beads, feathers, whatever you have at home.
Great. And if I don't have a hole punch, Maddie, can I still do this craft?
Yes, so for me, I also didn't have a hole punch, so what I did is I used a pencil to poke holes through the paper. So if you want, you can have a parent or guardian or somebody help you with that, just in case the pencil is a little sharp. So you can do that if you don't have it, or you can use a hole punch.
Okay, great. So let's get started. What's the first thing, Eric, that I'm going to be doing with my plate?
So the first step is to cut out the middle circle. So first so I already have mine pre-cut. You're gonna wanna fold it in half. Okay. And then you're just gonna cut around the edge of the plate.
Okay.
Perfect. So it should end up like that.
Okay. And then what's, Maddie, the next step?
So once you have all of your holes cut out or punched in, I only did 10 holes around. You can choose however many you want to, and then also do 3 or however many you want to at the bottom for our extra strings for later.
Okay. And are you both able to hang yours? What did you do to be able to hang it?
Yep. So I put 2 at the very top, just so you can hang it around.
Mm-hmm.
So okay. So you just tied some more yarn or string at the top.
Yep.
Okay, great. So let's get started because I haven't made one yet.
Okay. So we're going to start with the weaving. So if you want to take the string or yarn or whatever you have and just unravel a little bit just so you have enough to get started. And what you're going to do is you can choose any hole you want, and you're going to poke the string right through the hole.
All right.
So once you get that first strand through the hole, what you're going to do is you're going to tape it on the other side just to secure it.
Oh, I see. Okay.
like this. So now what you want to do is unravel a little bit more just so you have enough, and then we're going to cut it so that you can weave the other end through the other holes.
Oh, okay. I already cut mine ahead.
Okay. Okay, so now you can start weaving through the other holes, and it doesn't matter. You can go any order that you want to.
Okay.
So now you're going to take your string through the side that it just poked out through. And you're going to poke it through another hole. And pull it tight. So it's like this.
So same side. I started to do the other side. Okay.
So whatever side the string comes out of, you're going to poke it through a different hole on the same side.
Oh, okay. But leaving the 2 holes at the top.
Right. So you're just going to keep repeating this until you go through every one.
And you can just do any direction, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's awesome. And Eric, while I'm doing mine, can you show us what you did on the white part of the plate?
Yep. So while they start weaving theirs, I'm just gonna color in all around it. So you can color in with markers. You can add any bling if you have any glitter or beads or any jewels or anything. I found some star confetti that I like to add on to it. So with this part, it's really customizable. You can just color it in whatever way you want to.
Great.
It's nice and fun looking.
And mine, I realized I didn't cut it long enough. So what I'm gonna do is just tape it, this part, and I'll cut another piece of string and then do the rest.
Perfect.
Okay? And so can you show us, so I'll be finishing this, and can you show us how to hang the feathers at the bottom?
Sure. So once you're done, you can also tape it so it's tight all around like you did when you started.
Uh-huh.
So for the strings that hang on the bottom, you can make them any length that you want. So you can cut your string.
Okay.
Some of these as well. You're going to poke it through one of the bottom holes. And you're going to tape it down on the other side like we did when we first started the weaving.
All right. And I decided to use, I was looking around my house and I decided, since I love shells so much, I'm gonna try and tape a shell on. So I'm gonna do that and I'll show you. And we're gonna see if it works. You can kind of tape anything. How did you guys do your feathers? Eric, how'd you make your feather?
So I just cut out a feather shape out of construction paper, and then I put a hole punch in the top, and then I actually cut like little slits all the way down so it looks a little bit more like a feather.
Yeah.
And I think it came out really well.
It came out great. All right, let's see if the shell works. And it does. So I'm gonna do the rest of mine with other shells.
Perfect.
Yeah, I love it.
So what I did was I took the center circle that I cut out from my plate and I ended up writing a message on it. So I wrote dream big, and then I'm going to attach that to my center string.
Great. So later on, I'm gonna finish the whole thing and I'm gonna decorate it. And thanks for teaching us how to do this. I've always wanted a dream catcher, so now I have one. So thank you. And if you'd like to see our other craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. See you next time. Happy crafting. Bye.